Wow, that looks like fun! Hi everyone! Ready for more fun at the amusement park? Great! But first we have a job to do. Today we will build a ball pit. Some of the pieces are already here. Let's put them together. We need more pieces. Can you find them? Good work, Charlie the Crane. You can carry those on your truck bed. Way to go, Billy the Bulldozer. I think Ed the Excavator has found a truckload of pieces. Great job, guys. Let's unload the pieces. That's all the pieces for now. Can you put them in place? Great work, guys. Uh-oh, I think Ed is ready for some more fun. He's trapped Billy. Oh boy, here we go again. Time to get back to work, guys. Almost finished now. That's it. The ball pit is complete. Now that the work is over, it is time for some fun. Let's try it out. Whoa! That was fun. Want to do it again? Great job today, guys. See you next time.
Hi, Dino. How are you? Dino, would you like to learn colors and help the cement maker to fill boxes with balls today? Great! Let's get started. Dino, can you show us which box we should fill? Red. Green.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Orange.
Oh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Blue.
Woohoo! Aww.
Pink.
Oh. Woohoo!
Purple. Well done, Dino! You helped our cement maker to fill all the boxes and learn so many colors today. Would you like to sum up? Red. Green. Orange. Blue. Pink. Purple. See you soon, my friends. Hi, Ethan. How are you?
Phew.
Ethan, would you like to learn colors and shoot from a catapult today?
Aha.
Let's go!
Oh. Ah. Mhm.
Yellow. That was so
Yahoo!
fun! Let's do it again.
Oh. Ah. Mhm.
Pink.
Oh. Ah.
Green.
Oh. Mhm.
Try again, Ethan.
Oh.
Red.
Oh. Ah. Mhm.
Orange.
Oh. Mhm.
Blue.
Oh. Ah. Mhm.
Purple. Well done, Ethan! You learned how to use a catapult, and we learned so many colors today. Let's sum up.
Aha.
Yellow, pink, green, red, orange, blue, purple,